Welcome back to my channel, Learn it and See. So, in my previous class, I had done with your addition of fractions. Now, we are going to do today subtraction of fractions. So, in this case, we will be doing when the denominators are not same. So, without further ado, let's start with the first sum. So now let's begin with the first sum. So it says subtract 5 7 by 9 from 8 3 by 8. Now in this type of sums, first of all you have to notice that the word from is given. Many of the students, they get confused. What they do is they write simply 5 7 by 9 minus 8 3 by 8. That will be wrong. What you have to do as a student is whatever is written after from will be the first fraction coming out here. The first one will be 8 3 by 8 minus 5 7 by 9, or 8 whole number 3 by 8 minus 5 whole number 7 by 9. So fatafat we'll convert this into a vulgar fraction. This is 8 is 64. 64 plus 3 is 67 by 8 minus 9 5 is 45. 45 plus 7 is 52. 52 by 9. Now what we have to do is we will take out the LCM of the denominators. So we'll take out 8 and 9. 2 4s are 9 will not come. 2 2s are 9 will not come. 2 1 times 9 3 3 1. This is 3 and 3 1. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. This is over now. So the LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3 is 24, and 24 3s are is 4 3s are 12. 172 is your LCM. We'll draw a big line 72, which is known as the by sign. Now we'll divide the denominator with the LCM. So instead of dividing, we'll see that in 8 times table, how many times 72 comes? So 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. And 9 times table, 72 will come 8 times. So into 8. Now we will multiply. 67 into 9. 963. 54 plus 60, 60. 603. Minus 52 into 8. 52 into 8. 8 was 16, 40, 41, 416. Now, we will subtract 603 and 416. So, 603 minus 416. So, we'll take borrow from 5, 5, 1, 9, 1. This becomes 7, 8, 1. 187 by 72. Now we will simply divide and we'll get the answer, because this won't be reducing any further. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, let's cut by 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So this will not cut by 3. So we'll simply divide and get the answer. 72 2s are 2 2s are 4. That is a 40, 144. And then 72 3s are is 3 to the 6, 7 3s are 21. So we'll take 2 times is 144, that is 3 4. So the answer is 2 whole number 43 by 72, and this is your answer to this particular sum. So now to end my class, I will show you one more example. So now with this example, I'll show you one difference between the two sums which I am going to do, which I have already done. The first sum and this is second sum. Find the difference (7 by 12) and 3 by 18. So what my point is very simple. Now as a student, your child might get confused when they see that the word from is not given. In my previous example, if you must have noticed, the word from was there. But over here, they have simply told you find the difference 7 by 12 and 3 by 18. So, in this type of cases, you all don't have to do anything. That means this is the number which will come first, and will be replaced by minus sign 3 by 18. Only in case when you find that the word from is there, only in those cases you have to write what is there after from. Other than that, in normal cases out here where and is given to you, you don't have to interchange the places. I hope so this point is clear to you all. Now, this simple sum, I would like you all to pause the video and complete the sum and then come back and check your answer with mine. So, we'll take out the LCM first, simply. 12 and 18 both are the denominators. So, for these two denominators, we'll take out the LCM. So, 12 and 18, 2 6s are, 2 9s are, 2 3s are, and 9 not come. 2's game is over. 3, 1 times 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So the LCM would be 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. And I have already told you, in order to check whether your LCM is correct or not, the denominators, denominator 1 and denominator 2 should be divided exactly. That means it will leave no remainder. So in 12 time tables, 36 will come in 3 times. 12, 3 is 36. So into 3. For those, if your child is weak, tell him or her to divide 12 with 36, and whatever the answer will come, multiply it with its numerator. 18 and 36. In 18, 36 comes 2 times. 18 2s is 36. So into 2. So 7 into 3 gives you 21 minus 3 2s are 6. Now we will simply subtract the numerators. That means it will give me 15 by 36. Now 1 plus 5 again will give you 6, and 3 plus 6 will give you 9. So in this case you'll see one digit is the even digit and the second one, this over here 5, is an odd number. So 2 will never go. We will not be following the rule for 2. We will go with the test of divisibility of 3, because both the numbers are surely getting divided by 3. 3 5s are, and then 3 12s are. Simple, no rocket science. I'm telling you everything, otherwise you'll tell me what Vinci ne sikhaya nahi. Simply I'm telling you 5 by 12 is your answer, because it won't be divided any more further. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. In this case, this itself will be the answer. Only when the numerator is larger than the denominator, in that type of cases, it will be divided and get converted into a mixed fraction. Other than that, it won't be converted. Just to revise before I complete my lesson, if you see, find the difference and is given, just copy as it is. If you see from, so whatever is written after from, we'll copy that first and then give a subtraction sign and then write the first fraction. This was the only difference and only possible mistake which a child can make while solving this type of sums. I hope my point is very clear to you all, and I hope so also that this concept, if you get in your examination, you will score full marks. Thank you so much for watching my video, and bye bye and take care.